Welcome to Pin Automation Traffic Robot Software. Now you're on this exclusive page, so I want you to pay very close attention because this page may not be up for a very long time because of the exclusivity of the software tool that you're about to receive. Alright, so the Pin Automation Traffic Robot Software, or the Pinbot software in the short form, allows you to not only build a loyal following for free, right, for free traffic, but also build a massive subscriber list on autopilot. And the beauty of this is that all you have to do is follow the simple, straightforward process, which I'm going to be outlining, and you can run multiple instances of it. For example, you can run 100 different accounts at the same time if you wish, or you can run just maybe 5 or 6 accounts at the same time in different niche markets of your choice. So it's really up to you how much power you would like to use with this software tool. Let me explain why Pinterest is so powerful. If you look at the stats here, you can see in just 10 short months, Pinterest has acquired 13 million users. Now, this is all based on the buzz and the actual viral impact and viral traffic that it's been receiving. And these are 2011 stats. Based on recent statistics, it's actually doubled or even tripled in size, and it's only going to keep growing more and more. Why is it so powerful? Well, the idea behind Pinterest is that unlike many other platforms out there, Pinterest allows you to refer to other places. For example, if you look at Google as a search engine, right? When you go to Google and you search for something, you actually type in and you go to a special URL, right? You get referred somewhere. That's why Google has always been one of the best traffic sources out there, although now it's super competitive, right? Everybody knows that. Now with Pinterest, it's like Google or Facebook in the early days. The reason behind this is that the average time spent on Pinterest right now is about 15.8 minutes, and it beats Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and pretty much every other website out there. It beating Facebook and all the other websites out there just goes to show how powerful it is, how much engaged the audience are when they actually go to Pinterest to get what they want to see on a daily basis, which is based on their hobbies, their target market, right? And I'm going to show you some example target markets which are doing extremely well for me in this video. All right, now one more really important thing about Pinterest is the fact that Pinterest has higher referral traffic than YouTube, Google, LinkedIn combined. What does that mean? It means Pinterest actually refers more traffic to other websites. This could be your website, could be my website, or anybody else's website. And it actually refers more traffic that way than any other website that you might have seen or heard about combined. Really powerful, right? Which means if you're looking to generate traffic to your affiliate offers, or traffic to build a list on your website, or to just get traffic to a product or service that you're trying to get, or for an offline business you're trying to get them some traffic, this is the best way to do that, because hey, it is the best platform out there to do so, and the statistics don't lie, right? And that's the reason why you need to take advantage of it right now, because the competition is low, the traffic is free, and more importantly, the big corporations or the major players have not entered yet. They might in the future, but they have not entered yet, which levels the playing field completely for you. Now let me go back to the software and explain to you some of the key features that are available in the software and some of the powerful elements of it. Now, the Pin Automation Traffic Robot software, what it does is that it allows you to type in any keyword of your choice. On top of that, it also allows you to type in any user's page of your choice. Very powerful. I'll explain that right now. So first things first, let me type in my username and password, and let's get started. All right, so once you type in your username and password, then you can enter any keyword of your choice. So for example, let me explain how the keywords work. So let's just say you want to target someone in the golf market, right? Golf tips or golf tricks. someone who is very interested and has a hobby of improving their golf skills. Very, very big market out there, right? So you can just type in golf, and then you put in golf, then you can set a user limit. How many users do you want to search who are interested in this keyword? You can type in 100, you can type in 25, you can type in any number you wish. Although I would recommend you to keep it a little bit limited, just so you know who can handle things, right? Now I'll just keep it at 100 for now. Set a delay, just keep it random here. And then you can just click the start follow button, and it's gonna follow everyone in the golf market. Very, very powerful, right? The idea is that the more people who are targeted to the market that you're in, the more profitable it becomes, because you're basically dealing with and interacting with people who are only interested in this topic rather than people who are interested in varied topics, right? So once you click start follow, that's it. It's going to start following the 100 people that it sees who are interested in this particular niche. Now, that's one aspect of it, right? What if you want to actually target one of the bigger golf gurus out there and someone who is very respected, meaning it's much easier for you to then find out people, because people who follow the experts in golf are actually interested in golf themselves. So I did some research and I found out that Karen here, she's actually has her own golf events and so on. She's a golf teacher and so on. She has 146 followers, all right? Right here, as you can see. Now I can pick, all right, this URL, as you can see here, and then I can copy it and I can put it right in the software. As you can see here, I can just paste it. I can delete that part and I can paste it. All right, and then I can start follow. What does that do? What it does is it only goes through this page and follows people on this particular page, meaning I can pretty much follow only the followers of Karen here who are very interested in golf, right? I mean, she is an expert in golf. She has DVDs, training lessons, and that sort of thing on golf. So her followers are more likely to be interested in golf. Now, let's just say you are in the niche market of golf, or you have a profile in Pinterest that is targeted towards golf lovers or something like that, or you have some pictures on golf, for example. How likely is it that people are going to follow you? Very, very likely. For example, as you can see here, on a weekly basis and a daily basis, I received people repinning my pins on Pinterest. As you can see here, one other person pinned you, and here's another one liked one of your pins, and here's another one liked your pin on Pinterest. You can see, keep getting it on a daily basis, and that's only in one market, right? I mean, you can do it in hundreds of different markets out there. For example, here, Beth here has a varied profile, but mostly it's related to shopping and accessories and that sort of thing. Now, I'll explain to you how you can tap into this as well. For example, right, you can use this. You can put this page here that Karen has and get all her followers, very, very targeted people. Now, let's just say you don't find someone in your market like that. You find someone like Beth Phillips here, right? Beth is in different markets here. You can see here cute hair, and then diet, workout, motivation, different niche markets, right? Now, you don't want any of these markets, as you can see, holiday, dresses, events, and so on. You want the diet, workout, motivation, right? Click on that, right? Now, here on this particular page, you have 844 followers that she has just on this particular page, meaning if you can just right click, copy this page, which is diet, workout, motivation page, and get the followers who are interested in this topic of diet, workout, motivation, and that sort of thing. So now I can go back to the software and then paste that link and start following. Very, very powerful, right? Because now if you go after someone who has a varied list of followers, you can then pinpoint exactly what area, what niche that they have their posts on, their pins on, and then get followers that way, which allows you to get even more targeted people on the fly. And it becomes even more easy for you to target thousands of people on the fly without you ever worrying about whether you're gonna have enough people to actually watch and also enough people to actually read your information, because we're dealing with hundreds of people here, right? So that is a powerful element that you can use, which the software does for you automatically. And the fact that you can actually open multiple instances of the software, for example, I can open another version, another screen of the software, and run completely different username and password, and then use it in a completely different niche market on the same time. So it's as good as using it in 100 different niches at the same time, and to build targeted followers pretty much in autopilot, right? So that is one part of it. Now there's some other really cool features. For example, you can repin after following a person. Why is it important again? It's important because when you repin someone, it actually sends an email to them saying that so-and-so has, let's just, for example, say Mike has repinned your post, right? Or your pin. And it's going to send an email to them. Then they're going to come into your profile and are very likely to add you as a Pinterest friend, and also check out your pins, your affiliate links, and so on. And it has also a viral feature where you can publish to Twitter, which is a really powerful feature on using Twitter's own viral impact that Twitter has, which gives you an incredible boost when it comes to free traffic, right? And you can also, if you wish, use the auto unfollow facility. So for example, there are some people that you want to unfollow because they're not following you, or they're not liking your pins and that sort of thing, but you're following them. You can just paste the URL of your page. So for example, if my page is Paul or / Mike, or whatever the page is, you can just paste that URL here, for example here, like this, and you can start clicking unfollow, and it's going to unfollow people who are not following you back, pretty much on autopilot again. Very, very powerful. All you have to do is just press this unfollow button and you're good to go. So those are some of the features of the pin automation traffic robot software. The beauty is that since you can use it with multiple accounts in multiple ways, with multiple different niche markets, and you can open the software multiple times simultaneously, so you can have 4 or 5 different screens running in the same time without any restrictions, you can literally dominate any niche market of your choice in minutes. So that is the pin automation traffic robot software. There is a lot of proof on this page that you can check out. There are a lot of cool features that you can check out as well on this page, completely detailed for you. And we are running a very limited special offer for you on this page. So I highly recommend that you get it because once the price increases, it's going to stay there forever. And I cannot guarantee that it's going to be up on this page for too long, and because we're giving it at a massive discount. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Check out the other proof that you see on this page for a lot of exciting ways that you can use the software to profit, and also build a loyal following and an email list that you can use for affiliate offers and so on, using the power of Pinterest.